Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can reinstall a keyboard driver into your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type device, manager. That will appear under the best match. Then just go ahead and click on that. Now, if in some cases that the keyboard is not working fine on your Windows or the laptop keyboard and some keys are not working fine, then I suggest that before uninstalling the keyboard driver, let's update it first. So here you'll find keyboards. Then this is your keyboard driver. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. Now, if in some cases too that updating the keyboard driver doesn't fix the issue, then make a right click and then select uninstall device. Click on uninstall. To finish removing the device, you must restart your computer. Now, I'm not going to click on yes first, so I'll just click on no because I'm still going to show you one thing. So after uninstalling the keyboard driver, click on your username and then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. You have to do this for like 3 times until your keyboard driver will be reinstalled into your Windows. Now, if in this case that clicking on action and scanning for hardware changes doesn't reinstall the keyboard driver, then this is the time that we are going to restart our Windows. So simply close the device manager window and then make a right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver that you have uninstalled. That is proven and that is tested that whenever you are going to restart your Windows after uninstalling a driver, that will reinstall it again into your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.